Today's story is My New Bed. In this story, we have some different sight words. Here they are. Let's take a look at them as I explain each one to you. The first sight word is new. You can see there's a heart under EW because it makes the oo sound. This is the word new. You have to memorize the EW by heart. This is the word said. There's a heart under the AI because it makes the sound. Said. This is the word little. There's a heart under the LE because it makes the sound. Little. You don't hear the E making an E sound like or E. Instead it's This is the word two. The double O has a heart because it says ooh. This is the word love. You can see there's two hearts here, one under the O because it makes an sound, and one under the E because it's silent. This is the word love. This is the word has. There's a heart under the S because the S makes the Z sound. Excuse me, just like in the word his, or is, or as, sometimes S at the end of a word says Z. This is the word has. This is the word have. There's a heart under the A and the E because the A says and the E is silent. It does not follow our silent E rule. This is the word went. No hearts here because we can sound it out. Let's do it together. Say it out loud with me. Went. We have an NT blend at the end of the word went. All right. Now we're going to do a game called Beat the Teacher. Take out your sheet, just like this, and get your highlighter ready. All right, I'm just going to adjust mine so that we can see the whole thing. All right, in this game, I'm going to point to a word, and you are going to say the word before I say it. Okay? Then you will check and see if you said it correctly. And if you did, you get to highlight the word drawing one straight line across. Ready? Let's try it out. Say this word out loud. This is the word new. If you said new, draw one line across with your highlighter now. This is the word, say this word out loud. This is the word said. If you said said, draw one straight line across with your highlighter. Do not highlight until you have heard me say the word and you've checked to make sure you've said it correctly. Okay, let's do the same thing. I'm going to say the word, and after I say it, if you said it correctly, you will highlight. We're going to do that the whole way. Ready? Say the word. Little. Say the word. Two. Say the word. Love. Say the word. Has. Say the word. Have. And say the last word. Went. Now you're going to count out how many words you had highlighted and write the number here below. So if I said two of them and beat the teacher on two of them and said them correctly, I would write 2 here. You may write it with your highlighter. And now we're going to go on to the next column. We're going to do the same thing, but this time you're going to try to beat your score. If I got 2 last time, I'm going to try to get more than that. When I say the word, you say it. After I tell you what the word is, if you said it correctly, then highlight. Just with one line across. Same as before. Ready? Say the word. New. Say the word. Said. Say the word. Little. Say the word. Two. Say the word. Love. Say the word. Has. Say the word. Have. And say the last word. Went. Count up how many you had highlighted in this column and write the number here. So if I had 4 of them highlighted, I'd write number 4. Are you improving each time? Now let's see if you can get all 8 of these words correct. That's our goal, is to get all of them and to improve each time. Ready? Start at the top. Say the word. New. Say the word. Said. Say the word. Little. Say the word. To. Say the word. Love. Say the word. Has. Say the word. Have. And say the last word. Went. Write the number here of how many words you said correctly. Did your score go up each time? Were you able to say all 8 words? If not, just keep practicing. All right, the next thing we're going to look at are some of the CVC words that you will see in our book. CVC words have 3 letters: a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. The vowel, which is what the V stands for, is in the middle. Notice all these words have 3 letters, and in the middle is a vowel. When we see this kind of word, we can sound them out. Ready? Say these sounds out loud with me, and then blend the word together. Begin. B, a, d, bed. Good. Say it with me. B, egg, beg. K, an, can. Great job. Keep saying them with me out loud. B, ig, big. Mom. Yes. All right, our last words. Get. Red. Jet. How did you do at sounding out the words and saying each of the CVC sounds with me? Great work. Now that you've sounded out words that we're going to see in our story today, we're also going to sound out some words that are CVC and work on our fluency. Fluency is reading the words correctly and at a good speed with expression. So let's try to read these words correctly and at a good speed today. I'm going to point to a word. You're going to try to say the word and beat the teacher. You're going to try to say the word before I do. It's okay to sound these out. Just do it as quickly as you can. Okay, say the first word out loud. Kid. Say the next word. Rat. Say the next word. Rod. Say the next word. Net. And say the last word. Lid. Notice there are lots of D's in these words. If you get to a B or D and you don't know which one it is, use one of your strategies that I'm showing you now. All right, the next row. Ready? Say the first word. Jig. Say the next word. Fed. Say the next word. Caught. Say the word. Gut. Say the word. Log. And our last row. Ready? Say the word. Knit. Say the word. Mid. Say the word. Fin. Say the word. Dab. Say the word. Bit. Were you able to read the CVC words fluently? If not, that is something you can keep working on. Now we're going to look at our book, My New Bed. As we read, you're going to be looking for sight words in this book. So let me get this so we can see all the sight words. There we are. I'll read the book out loud, and you're going to look for sight words. So for example, in this title, there's one sight word. Look for it as I read. My new bed. Say the sight word you found out loud. That's right, the word new is our sight word right here. New. Let's keep doing this as we read. On this page, you will see we have 3 sight words. I have a bed. My bed is too little. Find the sight words that say the sight words that you found, the 3 sight words. Did you say have? two, and little. Great work. On this page, we have one sight word. Look for it as I read. I beg Mom. Can I get a big bed? Mom said yes. Say the sight word you found. That's right, the sight word said is on this page. On this page, you are going to see one sight word. Look for it as I read. We went to get a big bed. I like this bed. What sight word did you find? Say it now. Did you find the word went? Great job. On this page, there is one sight word. Look for it now. This bed is red. It is a big red bed. It has a jet on it. Say the sight word you found. That's right, has. All right, as I read, look for one sight word. I like the bed with the jet. Can we get this bed? I said. Say the sight word that you found. That's right, said. All right, this is our last page. Be looking for the one sight word that is on this page. Mom said yes. I can get this bed. I love my red bed. What sight word did you see? It was said again. Very nice job, friends. Now we are going to read this book together. Read aloud with me as I point. Ready? Let's read. My new bed. I have a bed. My bed is too little. I beg Mom. Can I get a big bed? Mom said yes. We went to get a big bed. I like this bed. This bed is red. It is a big red bed. It has a jet on it. I like the bed with the jet. Can we get this bed? I said. Mom said yes. I can get this bed. I love my red bed. Excellent job, friends. Now we're going to spend a little bit of time just reading a couple pages with duet reading. We're going to just do a couple of pages with duet reading. You'll read the words in yellow, and I'll read the words in white. So we'll read every other word. I'll say my, you'll say new, and I'll say bed. Ready? Let's try it out. My bed. Okay, read the words in yellow. I, a, my, is, little. Good. Say the yellow words out loud. I, Mom. I, a, bed, said, we, to, a, bed, like, bed. This is it, a red, and we're going to stop there. Really nice job reading and duet reading.